Welcome to the new Mercedes-Benz A-Class Sedan. The new A-Class Sedan has a sleeker design and evolved technologies. And it all starts here, with a new radiator grille with Mercedes-Benz pattern. In this video, we'll be exploring the A-Class Sedan's sporty exterior design. But before we get started, just a quick guide through this film. If you like, you can go directly to the chapter that interests you most by clicking in the timeline. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Take a first look at the car and you'll see that its design has been guided by the principles of sportiness. The new A-Class Sedan comes with an exciting side view, an expressive lower character line, and a roofline sloping towards the rear. This car has the progressive line, but of course the new A-Class Sedan is available with the sporty AMG line as well. Now follow me to the front and take a look at these striking new power domes. They used to feature on the AMG A45 only, but from now on they'll adorn each and every A-Class. The hood then slopes down into the very bold front of the vehicle, which we like to call the shark nose. And while we're at the front, take a second to gaze at the hundreds of stars here. The redesigned radiator grille with Mercedes-Benz pattern has its name for all the right reasons. And check out these optional multi-beam LED headlamps with redesigned graphics. They really complement the front end as well. Looking at the side of the car, you'll see that this new A-Class Sedan comes with optional 18-inch wheels. And at the rear of the car, we have a new rear light design. What's also new, every A-Class comes with LEDs on the rear from now on. The A-Class Sedan's interior continues to be very avant-garde, modern and sporty, and the front of the cabin feels very airy and open. As with every A-Class, the sedan comes with a 10.25-inch central media display, which is touch-sensitive and responds to your input. In this optional variant, the driver display is available for order with 10.25-inch as well. Here, we have the signature Mercedes-Benz air vent design. It lends the car a very timeless, sporty and progressive feel. In this car, you really breathe in the comfort. And speaking of comfort, like all A-Classes, the sedan now comes with comfort seats with new upholstery design. And now, sit back, relax, and just gaze up with me through this big sunroof for a couple of seconds. To customize the interior to your personal preference or current mood, select the ambient lighting with 64 colors and different color schemes. And this isn't just any steering wheel. It's one that comes with a new operating concept, control panels, and capacitive hands-on recognition. This means that your car knows whether or not your hands are where they should be, namely on the steering wheel. If they're not, the car signals a warning. Connectivity is the key, and the new A-Class Sedan makes it possible. The latest second-generation MBUX system has received an upgrade. That's why it comes with a new design and an improved system performance. But it still has the three familiar, well-loved display styles and MBUX entertainment in the head unit. Ranging from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to advanced Mercedes Me services and the integration of your Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify or Tidal account. Using the MBUX voice assistant, smart home integration allows you to switch on/off your lights or remotely set the temperature at home. Amazing! Hey Mercedes, set temperature at home to 22 degrees. The digital key handover feature allows you to easily share your A-Class with family and friends. As long as you leave a deactivated key inside the locked vehicle, you can let trusted friends and family gain access to the car remotely by using the lock-unlock function within the Mercedes Me app.